Welcome to this episode of Markets Week Ahead, where I give the update on what transpired last week and what could drive the markets in the week ahead. If you like this video, do subscribe. After a difficult week of selling last week, Indian equity markets staged a strong comeback. Better than expected June quarter earnings, renewed buying by foreign investors, softer crude prices, and easing geopolitical tensions in West Asia helped restore confidence. The Nifty gained 2.59% during the week, while Sensex rose 2.68%, recovering much of the previous week's losses. What stood out even more was that broad participation. Large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks all moved higher, while India VIX fell sharply, showing that investor nervousness had eased considerably. The combination of improving earnings and better global backdrop gave markets exactly the support they needed. Technology stocks once again emerged as the biggest drivers of the rally. The Nifty IT surged 6.75% after strong quarterly earnings from companies such as Infosys, HCL Tech, TCS, and Tech Mahindra. The favorable brokerage upgrade also added to the positive sentiment surrounding this sector. Auto stocks followed closely behind. Mahindra and Mahindra's strong quarterly performance boosted confidence across the sector, while Maruti, Bajaj Auto, TVS, and Eicher also attracted steady buying. Pharma, metals, and realty participated in this rebound as well, while banking recovered steadily. FMCG was the only major sector that struggled, weighed down by weaker earnings from some of the consumer companies. Corporate earnings remained the biggest influence on individual stocks throughout the week. Bajaj Finance topped the Nifty gainers after reporting strong numbers, while Jio Financial Services, Infosys, Bajaj Finserv, Eternal, Mahindra and Mahindra, and HCL Tech also posted healthy gains. In the derivative segment, companies such as Keynes Technology, Coforge, and Laurus Labs delivered strong weekly performance as investors rewarded businesses that either exceeded earnings expectations or benefited from improving sector sentiment. The broader message is that investors are becoming increasingly selective, rewarding companies with strong execution while showing very little patience for disappointing results. After a sharp recovery, markets have regained confidence, but sustaining that momentum will depend largely on earnings. The reporting season is moving into a much busier phase, and management commentary may influence stock prices just as much as the numbers themselves. Companies that deliver strong guidelines are likely to continue attracting buyers, while even a small disappointment could trigger quick profit booking after this week's rally. Global developments will remain another major focus. So, we'll have to track developments in West Asia closely, uh, crude oil prices, foreign investor flows, and the direction of the rupee. These factors have become closely linked to market sentiment over the past few weeks and would continue influencing daily trading. From a technical perspective, Nifty has recovered important ground, but the next leg will depend on whether it can move decisively through this 24,350 to 24,550 band. A sustained move above this range could strengthen bullish momentum, and on the downside, 24,000 remains the key support level. Holding above this would reinforce confidence, while a break below could bring back selling pressure. The market has recovered strongly, but the coming week will determine whether this is the beginning of a broader uptrend or simply a relief rally supported by encouraging earnings. Thanks for watching and wishing you a great week ahead.